Hello and welcome to Dad Got This, where we answer the tough questions like, how do you keep cool outside in the Florida summer while grilling? And why did the fan lose its job? That one's easy. Couldn't keep its cool. Inside this box is the Shark FlexBreeze Fan, and I needed it. So I asked them to send it to me. Let's open it up. And here we got all the pieces for the fan. This thing goes together really easy. You have your little main piece and it just kind of snaps together. You line up the lines like so, like that. There's a little yellow dot on the base, so a little yellow triangle on the post. Now that's for like outside higher settings. Now you got, it comes with feet like this. And you can use it as a tabletop fan. Now, let's say you need a little bit more height other than a tabletop fan. Pick the bad boy up, close the feet. There's a hole right there. There's a hole right here. Slide that guy down. It's gonna pop into place. And now you have a taller fan. For now, we're gonna work with it in tabletop mode. You're gonna notice this little package. In this package, you've got a bolt and an Allen wrench. What is that for? Hold on, I'll show you. Remember this? Underneath here, you're gonna take the bolt, pop it in there, take your Allen wrench, and spin it and use it to tighten the bolt. Now, no problems at all. You get a charger. That's right, this is wireless. You can use it plugged in or you can use it unplugged and get 24 hours of runtime out of one charge. It's got a remote, little tag here. Pull that out. It says store on backup fan. Why does it say that? Because if you flip this guy around, it also says that here. Peel that sticker off. Peel that sticker off. Easy remote storage so you don't forget where it is and lose it. You enjoying this video? Well, there's a few simple things you can do to help me out. 1, you could subscribe if you're not already. 2, you could give the video a like and hit that bell. All right. On the top, you got a power button, a fan speed button, and oscillation. This bad boy's whisper quiet too, man. You can barely hear it. For me, it's perfect because it won't interrupt filming. I can stop the oscillation, I can start the oscillation, I can change the fan speed. There are 5 fan speed settings, and now there are some other buttons that we're gonna get into. Turn this bad boy off for a second. I'm gonna set this guy aside here. All that other stuff is well and cool, but this is the best part about this fan in this little box. This is the FlexBreeze attachment. This is what makes this fan just awesome. You got this guy. It literally just clips there like that. And you plug this into a garden hose. That's right, a garden hose. And now it turns this into a misting fan. Let's do that. Take your hose attachment, tighten it down. On here you have an on-off switch. I'm not sure which way is on and which way is off. We'll figure that out. Let's turn on the water and see what happens. Okay, flipped this way is off. And you flip it this way, and you are misting, baby. Look at that. Turn it off for now. A few things. You can't turn the fan directly on with the remote. You gotta turn it on first with the power button, then the remote will be able to turn the fan off and do all the controls. There's also a couple of extra settings on here. 5 settings on here, 5 little dots, or if you hit this little up arrow or press and hold the power button on there for 3 seconds, you get one more mode, which is boost mode. Seriously, folks? With Mr. Misty, the way you control how much mist you want, controlling the fan speed will adjust how much mist comes out a little bit, or the distribution of the mist, or you use your hose nozzle to adjust the water pressure, and that's gonna adjust how much mist comes out. Lower water pressure, less mist, full water pressure, full mist. We're gonna transform this to the pedestal. Comes with this fun little clip. You can clip this guy on here, run your little hose into the clip. We're gonna turn it on. I'm gonna leave it on oscillate, and oh my gosh. And that is amazing. Let's go over some of the features. It is rain resistant, so you can actually bring it out at a cookout, a patio, something like this, and if it gets a little wet, it's not a big problem. I love that. It's got the 5 fan speeds. In boost mode, it says you can feel the breeze from 70 feet away. I don't even know if I could test that in my patio. The Mist Attachment can make it feel up to 10 degrees cooler instantly. You get 180 degrees of oscillation and 55 degrees of tilt. You can actually tilt it up and down. Put it back on the table. You can use this indoors, you can use it outdoors. It is ultra quiet. Even on the highest setting, you can barely hear it. So you can use it while working, you can use it pretty much for anything, and it's not gonna interrupt you from a sound standpoint. Time for some B-roll, because why not? This fan's too cool not to just show off. It's got the remote, it tilts, you can store the remote on the back. What else do you need in a fan? Oh, it goes from tabletop to stand. You got the feet included, it oscillates, and with a simple click, it turns into a misting fan that just keeps you so cool. That's basically the Shark FlexBreeze misting fan. I absolutely love this thing, and thank you to Shark and Ninja for sending this out to me. This is going to make a huge difference for me when I'm outside here cooking and doing all kinds of grilling. It's gonna help me keep me cool and help bring more videos to you guys outside where I really like to film if I can get a chance. If you are interested in picking up one of these FlexBreeze fans, I'm gonna throw a link down in the description. It is an affiliate link. It will help me out if you use it. If you enjoy this kind of content, if you enjoy gadgets, you enjoy cooking, you enjoy outdoor cooking, then please do the likey, subscribe stuff, leave a comment. I answer just about every comment in my comment section. If you really want to support this channel, consider becoming a member. Members get cool benefits like shout outs, producer credits, and if you become the upper level member, you can even get a holiday card at the end of the year. Whatever holiday you celebrate, I'll send you a card. And that only leaves us one question. Why did the fan get detention? Because it was blowing hot air. Yeah. Dad tells bad dad jokes, reviews awesome products like fans that mist you and keep you cool while you're outside cooking. But there is one thing that Dad will never do, and that's an outro. So that's it. Bye.
This episode of Dad Got This was brought to you by our producers. Thank you very much.